Before buying a convection or conventional oven, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Black & Decker Convection Oven. Let's kick things off with the Black & Decker TO3250 XSBD 8-slice extra-wide convection countertop toaster oven. Priced at $86.87, this thing caught my eye because it boasts a large capacity and even heating. If you want a reliable oven that can handle big meals without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It fits most standard 9x13-inch pans, so you can use the bakeware you already have. The convection fan circulates warm air for even cooking, meaning no more burnt edges or undercooked centers. With a 60-minute timer, it's built for convenience, and the adjustable rack positions give you flexibility for different dishes. Honestly, the fact that over 700 have been bought in the last month shows there's a demand for its reliability. Now, some people complained about the temperature calibration not matching their settings. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you can adjust your recipes accordingly, and it's not a deal breaker for most home cooks. This is perfect for you if you need a spacious oven for feeding family or meal prepping. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact though. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if that temperature calibration issue bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Breville Mini Smart Oven. Next up is the Breville BOV 450XL Mini Smart Countertop Oven. This one's a bit more premium, but it's cleverly designed for those with limited counter space, at a price you'll have to check out. I was impressed by its Element IQ system, which intelligently adjusts heat to ensure consistent cooking. If you want precision in your cooking, this could be your go-to. The 8 cooking functions, including pizza and cookies, make it versatile. The fast 1800-watt preheat gets meals on your table quicker, which is great if you're in a rush. Plus, its compact size fits perfectly into small kitchens without sacrificing performance. And with over 1,000 bought last month, it's clearly popular among those who need a reliable countertop oven. Now, some might find its small capacity limiting. It only fits 4 slices of toast at once. But if you're just cooking for yourself or a couple, that's honestly not a huge issue. It's designed for quick meals, not large family gatherings. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment or need a space-efficient solution. Skip it if you often cook for a crowd. For a mini oven, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for big families. Product number 3, Elite Gourmet ETO 490. Now let's talk about the Elite Gourmet ETO 490. At just $39.99, it's super affordable and great for anyone on a budget. I was drawn to its compact design and versatile cooking options. If you want something basic that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this one's worth checking out. With a 30-minute timer and adjustable temperature from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can bake, roast, toast, and keep your food warm. The 800 watts of power means it heats quickly, so you're not waiting around. Plus, it comes with a baking pan and wire rack, making it user-friendly right out of the box. With over 300 sold recently, it's clear that many people appreciate its simplicity. However, some users mentioned it can take longer to cook certain items evenly. Here's the thing though, if you're just planning to make snacks or quick meals, it's honestly not a deal breaker. Just adjust your cooking times a bit and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something straightforward and budget-friendly. Skip this one if you need advanced features or large capacity. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if a larger capacity is what you need, the next one is a game changer. Product number 4, Oster Extra Large Oven. The Oster Extra Large 42-liter French door countertop toaster oven is next. Priced at $159.99, it's a bit of an investment, but it offers a ton of features that caught my attention. If you need something that can handle bigger meals for the family, this is where you want to look. It has a spacious capacity that can accommodate 2 large pizzas or a full-size chicken, which is perfect for family dinners or meal prep. With 6 cooking presets, including air fry, it's got versatility covered. I love that it uses 99.5% less oil compared to traditional frying, so you can enjoy crispy meals without the guilt. The user-friendly controls make cooking easy, even for beginners. With over 200 sold recently, people are clearly loving this oven. Now, some might find it a bit bulky for smaller kitchens, but if you have the space, the cooking options and efficiency might be worth the footprint. This is perfect for you if you frequently cook for a crowd or want to meal prep in large batches. Skip it if you're looking for something compact or don't need the extra capacity. It's definitely a solid investment for home cooks. Finally, if you want an even more compact option, the last one on my list has a unique twist.
Product number 5. Elite Gourmet ETO 449X Countertop Toaster Oven. At $39.82, it's another budget-friendly choice that offers solid features. I was impressed by its compact design, perfect for small kitchens or dorms. If you're on a tight budget but still want a reliable oven, this one's definitely worth considering. With a capacity for 4 slices and a temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can bake, broil, toast, and keep food warm. It heats quickly thanks to its dual quartz elements, which is a nice bonus. Plus, it includes essential accessories like a baking pan and wire rack, making it user-friendly. It's been bought by over 200 customers lately, showing that it meets the needs of those looking for simplicity. However, some users found the timer a bit short at 30 minutes. Here's the thing. If you're often baking things that take longer, it might require some extra planning. But for quick recipes, it's honestly not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need something compact and easy to use. Skip it if you regularly cook larger meals. For the price, it's a great value.
To wrap it up, we've covered a variety of ovens today. The Black & Decker is great for family-friendly features. The Breville is perfect for small spaces. The Elite Gourmet ETO 490 and ETO 449X are affordable options, and the Oster truly shines with its large capacity. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your cooking style best.